Okay, these boxes are heavier than they look. Today we're doing a mega unboxing. Today I'm unboxing all of this amazing stuff. And if you missed it, I unboxed a sawgrass printer. So we are going to be doing sublimation. So this is a lot of different things that you can do. And I hope you enjoy this. You ready? This is one of those boxes that it's as heavy as it looks. It's like a big piece of wood. Oh, I see why it's so heavy. Let's see if I can figure out how to get it all out. Okay, all I have left is the cardboard underneath of it, and this is really just from the box. Done. I don't have any idea how to use this machine. We're gonna totally do some projects with it. What I like is, by the way, if you're looking for the links, we have them in the description. But what I like about it is it comes with this CraftPro guide. Can you guys see that? And it looks like it has step-by-step instructions to check for time, temperature, and pressure so that we can do shirts. So I'm very, very excited about this. I do a lot of heat transfer shirts for Silhouette and Cricut, so it'll be fun to suddenly be able to do sublimation. All right, these are the last 3 boxes I'm gonna unbox with this today because the other 2 boxes are for another unboxing. I didn't even realize it. So we're just gonna see what we got here. This is exciting. All right, so this is the Office Twincore tape dispenser. Because I've never done sublimation, I'm not totally sure what this is for. See that? Time to level up. Okay, ooh, this is exciting. Guys. All right, I am so excited to be working on these kinds of things. These are tumblers. Let's just see what else we've got here. This is a white tumbler. Look how cute this one is. I've been super excited to do some tumblers. Oh my gosh. Sparkly, you guys. This is so fun. You ready to test some stuff to see how it does on glittery things? That's so fun. And then I have this. I don't know what this is for, but I'm gonna find out. Look at that. I think that is a heat press for a tumbler. What do you think? Look at that. Just see what this is exactly. So this is a Signature Series mug press tumbler heating element. Oh, wait, is this the tape that goes in the dispenser? I'm guessing that goes in there, right? Oh, it even, look at that. Hello. Yes, that is meant for that. Seems pretty easy to put together. This just needs to go in the center of it. I wonder if it goes a certain way. It doesn't appear. Here's, I can just pop it in. That was easy, just popping it in. And then putting that on there. And then just popping it in like that. Okay. I can do that. It looks like I'm missing the actual mug press because I think this doesn't hook up to this one. I think I have a totally separate one coming. I knew it was going to come a little bit later, but I wasn't sure when. I'm not 100% sure what I'm doing with this yet. I got some great mugs. I'm going to come back here. We're going to finish this video as soon as the other box comes, and we're going to finish this full unboxing. Alright, styrofoam at the top. So, handle looks like cords. You see that? Super cool. Alright, that was substantially lighter than the t-shirt press. Okay, this is so cool. and I have no idea how to use it. So the next video I'm going to do is some tumblers. I'm going to go through the whole process with you guys because I've never done it before. So if you've never done this before, you're going to want to check that out. Here we go. So, oh, I have one more box. And I remember I opened up another one of these presses. Oh, look at that. It's exactly like this. It's just a different size. So one's for mugs and one's for skinny tumblers. So let's open up this one really quick. I'd like to make a set of 6. So this is just more of these cutie white tumblers. So I'm really excited because I'm going to do a whole bunch of these. I can handle that. So what I'm going to do is I am going to read the instructions and I'm going to start doing the skinny press. So because of that, I am going to go ahead and take out this mug press. Let's see if I can figure it out without reading the manual. It looks pretty straightforward that you can put a number of different presses in there. So that's the mug press. This is much longer because it's the skinny tumbler press. And that's it. I am so excited to use these. It's gonna be amazing. So you are gonna see in the coming months, you're gonna see heat transfer projects. You are going to see, you know, anything that I can do with this and with that t-shirt press. I'm very, very excited with our Sawgrass printer. So keep an eye out on this YouTube channel. For sure, subscribe if you'd like to see more videos, especially of me crafting and making. And if you're excited about these products, make sure that you click on the link in the description because that will tell you where to purchase these. Okay, see you guys.